Hello students, today we'll discuss about image formation by convex lens. Remember, the image formed by convex lens depends on the position of object. So first we'll discuss what will be the position of image if the object is placed at infinity. First, object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. So you can draw the ray diagram. So if object is at infinity, the image will be formed at focus. Light coming from the object, the light comes parallel with the principal axis, and after going parallel with the principal axis it will meet at focus. So the image will be formed at focus. And the nature of image is real image, inverted. So real image is very inverted and very small, means it is highly diminished. This is highly diminished image. Now we'll discuss the second question, beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. So the object is at placed beyond 2f. We'll take a ray parallel to principal axis. It will pass through the focus. Another ray it pass through the optical center. So the image will be formed between f and 2f. Image will be formed between f and 2f, and the image is real. The nature of image is real, inverted, and small size, diminished. Then object is at 2f. Object is placed at 2f. take a ray that goes parallel with the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. Another ray passes through the optical center C. So the image will be formed at 2f. So if object is placed at 2f, image will be formed at 2f. So image will be formed at 2f. And remember, the image is real, inverted and same size. The image is real, inverted and same size, equal size to that of the object. Now, if the object is placed between f and 2f, between f and 2f, so here, if the object is placed between f and 2f, the image will be formed beyond 2f. The image will be formed beyond 2f. And the nature of image is real, inverted and real image, inverted and bigger than object, bigger than object. Next, if object is placed at focus, object is at focus, so if the object is placed at focus, the image will be formed at infinity. Image will be formed at infinity, and the image is real, inverted and highly magnified. highly magnified. Now the object is placed between optical center and focus. Between optical center and focus. So here the image will be virtual. So the image will be formed on the same site as that of the object, means the image is virtual. Virtual image, and this is erect and magnified.